Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I am Asmiati from class B, major English education. In this video, I will practice how to pronunciation vowels and consonant thought for examples. Okay, and vowels are divided into four. There are short vowels, long vowels, and different vowels and diphthong. Let's go to short vowels. In short vowels, the first one is E, for example, still and trick. Second, there is L, for example, never and sensitive. Third, there is AL, for example, people and lamb. Next, there is A, for example, brush and sun. Next, there is O, for example, copy and stop. And the last one, there is U, for example, sugar and pudding. Next, we go to long vowels. The first long vowel is E, for example, sheep and dream. The second one is A, for example, hard and dark. Third, there is O, for example, with water and fall. Fourth, there is U, for example, move and zoo. And the last one is the example is share and service. Now we move on to indefinite vowels. Indefinite vowels is there are A, for example, actor, amazing, and mother. And the fourth part of vowels there are diphthong. In diphthong, it is divided in 8 parts. The first is EA, for example, ears, hair, and near. Second, there is AU, for example, milk, cake, and white. Third, there is AU, for example, a, fine, and pay. Fourth, there is OU, for example, enjoy, oil, and point. Five, there is AU, for example, hop, open, and slow. 6. There is AR, for example, square, bear, and shark. Next, there is UA, for example, pure, sure, and cure. And finally, there is AU, for example, now, about, and how. So, those are the types of vowels and there were examples. Now we move on to consonants. Consonants are divided into 24. First, the consonants G and K. Example of consonants G is egg, again, and green. An example of consonants K is lunch, sick, and like. Second, consonants N and N. Example of consonants N is dinner, thinner, and funny. Example of consonants for N are strong, drink, and singer. Third, 3. The consonants L and R. Example of consonants L is love, like, and feel. Example of consonants R is wrong, sorry, and fire. For the consonants H and V. Example of consonant H is hand, hello, and hi. Example of consonant V is fine, forget, and different. 5. The consonants P and B. Example of consonants P is play, pretty, and police. Example of consonants B is bring, ball, and book. Ball. 6. The consonants D and T. Example of consonants D is die, dress, and idea. Example of consonants T is true, street, and start. 7. The consonants S and Z. Example of consonants Z is sure, show, and see. Example of consonant Z is usually, fashion, and pleasure. 8. The consonant S and Z. Example of consonant S is cell, song, and circle. Example of consonant Z is zero, lazy, and always. The 9 is consonants D and D. Example of consonant D is think, earth, healthy. Example of consonant D is bright, mother, and weather. Next is consonants V and W. Example of consonant V is believe, expensive, and live. Example of consonants W is wait, swing, and sweet. Next, consonants M and Y. Example of consonants M is money, market, and smile. Example of consonants Y is usually, yellow, and year. And the last one is consonant G and G. Example of consonant G are rich, chill, and lunch. Example of the consonants G are orange, change, and jute.